How's it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Customer just brought in the Suzuki Ozark little quad runner with a motor that is locked up. So we're gonna open up and see if we can get to the bottom of the issue. See if we can get this bike happy and running again. Okay, so we got it cleaned up. Let's tear down a bit and see what she wants. Let's just quickly check the battery. More than enough. A bit of make plan engineering going on here. These are actually nice little utility quads for farm use or large workshop use. You can put a nice toolbox on it, carry it around. Just a little tie strap there. Okay, one more clip. See, it's missing a side cover this side. That's it. Let's get her naked. just like that. She's topless. Okay, now we can see what's going on here. Let's cut back on before I drop nuts in there. Why are you not working? Okay, so the coil wire is definitely suspect. Don't know why anybody would tighten a spark plug that much. Oh, she was running lean. Okay, let's get the motor turning first of all, so we can isolate the issue from the motor to the drive end, and then we take it from there. Maybe we don't even need to open up this motor if it's the drive end. Let's see. Motor is turning. Doesn't sound so hot, but it's turning. Let's do a compression test quickly. Maybe it's worth it. Throttle wide open. Always remember when you do a compression test, throttle wide open. Turn the motor. There's plenty of compression. Let's check again. That should be plenty. Yep, definitely. And I just found out there's spark as well. That was a shocking experience, guys. Shocking. Okay. That narrows it down. I think the motor is fine. I think what we need to do is just get some clean fuel in it and see if she'll fire up. Okay, a little bit of fresh fuel goes a long way. Stop this up just a little bit. Just a little bit of fresh fuel. Let's put the plug in. She should start right up. Don't know, can't see an issue motor wise. Okay, motor sounds great. Clutch sounds horrible. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there. Guys, that's it for today. Keep an eye out for the next video where we tear into this and open up the drive units and see if we can get this girl happy again. Thanks, guys.